So this time we want to work out the mean from a frequency table. So the easiest way to do this, rather than listing out all our data, because we've got quite a number of different data values there, so we don't want to list them all out. So the easiest way is to times the parking spaces column, which I will call X, by the frequency. Because that tells us, what the frequency is telling us is how many ones were in our data set, and there were 15 ones in our data set. So if we do another column at the side, so 15 times 1 is 15. There were 27 twos in our data set, so 2 times 27 is 54. And don't forget, we're adding them up. So if you think about how you work out the mean, is you would have added all the numbers in your list together. So all we're doing is shortcutting, adding 27 twos together. So adding 27 twos is the same as 2 times 27. And then we have 3 times 8 and 4 times 5. So try and think about what it is that you're doing and why it works in this way. If you want to write out your list so that you can see all the numbers in a line, and then you understand why it is that you're multiplying by them together. Okay, so what we need, if you remember our formula, is adding all the values in the data set. So now we can add these together and we can get a total, which would be 113. So if we listed out all our numbers and added them together, we would get a total of 113. And now we need to know how many values were in our data set, so how many numbers are in our list. So we add the frequencies together. So if we add these together, then we get 55. Okay, so to work out our mean, we need the total of all the values in our data set. So this is this part. This is the total of all our values added together. And then we need to divide that by the total number of values in our data set. And this is the total number of values in our data set, which is 55. So 113 divided by 55 gives us 2.054 recurring. Okay, now you may think, well, hang on a minute, that doesn't make any sense because we've got 113 here and we've got 55 here. So why is it only 2.054? But you have to think about what it is you're working the mean out of. You're working out the mean number of parking spaces. So you're not working out the mean of these numbers or the mean of these numbers. You're working out the average number of parking spaces that were counted. So in this case, you can't have really a decimal or a fraction of a parking space, so it would be 2. So if you look at our parking spaces data, 2 would fit in with what we have in our table. So that would be the mean.